Here at Root Cause, we have a pulsed electromagnetic field mat, affectionately known as the mat. But what it does is that the electromagnetic fields improve the circulation of electrolytes or ions into your body, and that helps your cells regenerate. Also, balancing these electromagnetic fields help with your cells and tissues able to repair themselves faster and more efficiently. So that's really what we're all about as far as longevity and health, is to have those inner processes function at their best and most optimized state. So we have regeneration, we have repair, we also have detoxification. So these balancing the electromagnetic fields on this deep level allows your liver and kidneys and colon to detoxify themselves better. And all by lying on a mat for 20 minutes. It's rather fantastic what this does, all as part of a variety of wellness therapies that we offer, but it's quite substantive what it does. It's also very relaxing. Most people fall asleep while lying on the mat. It energizes, it repairs, it detoxifies, but it also really relaxes. I loved it so much I got one at home, and I do it every night before I go to bed. But there's a lot of different settings you can do. So you can do one for pain, you can do one for energizing, you can do one for relaxation. They're all working on that deep level, so still having that repair, regeneration, detoxification, but there's also nuances to the frequencies that you're using, and depending on which one you're trying to what benefit you're trying to get, you can play with the frequencies and see which one is getting the most desired effect. But you're in a separate room, there's a blanket, there's a sound machine, it's very relaxing in there. You just take off your shoes, you don't have to take off anything else. You just lie on the mat and relax for 20 minutes, and the benefits I think you'll really enjoy.